Blue, bold and brutal. This is the Mercedes G63 and this one means business. Now this isn't just your average G63. Usually we get the white, black or matte versions, but this one is in a stunning beautiful blue color as you can see behind me, and it's also got a Luma kit on which makes it look so much more mean, wide and aggressive, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And guys, the interior is just as stunning. So this beauty is here for our 21-step decontamination process as well as a proper paint enhancement before we start applying full pre-cut self-filling gloss PPF. And on top of that, of course, our GYEON PPF ceramic coating for maximum protection. After that, we'll also be applying windscreen protection film and do a proper rim and caliber detail and apply our GYEON rim ceramic coating. So the beautiful interior of this car is an amazing place to be, let me tell you. It's got the two-tone leather throughout, carbon fiber and beautiful ambient lighting. So guys, in here we're going to do a proper interior detail as well as apply our GYEON leather shield ceramic coating throughout. And then lastly, to top it all off, we're also going to be applying interior PPF on all the gloss trim pieces. So guys, with that said, let's get started.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego.
This G-Wagon just had the best spa day of its life and it is looking gorgeous. It is now protected, detailed and perfected and ready to go back to its owner. So if you want your car to be detailed or protected just like this one, just give us a call or DM on Instagram and we'll get back to you. Have a good day. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.